Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to list on Depop. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start listing some items on Depop. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Depop. Then towards the bottom, it's going to say sell, so click on sell. So on this page here, if you haven't already set up your seller's account, you're going to need to enter your first name, last name, phone number, your shipping address, and your billing address, and also enter your date of birth. So once you enter all of that information, this is where it's going to allow you to list an item on Depop. So you can add photos up to 8, and my recommendation is that you take multiple photos, have good natural lighting. You don't need to buy separate lighting. Any natural window lighting will do. Then for the description, you want to indicate what the shirt is about. So with that, you do need to enter the category, brand, and condition, but be accurate about it as well. Like if the condition of the shirt is used, just mention that it's actually used. And as far as categories go, you can decide whether it's men's, women's, kids, or everything else. Now for the price point, this is where you're going to enter the price of the listing right over there. And then for shipping, you can decide shipping based on package size, where you're shipping from. And then lastly, you can save it to drafts and then afterwards post the listing. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to list on Depop. It really just depends on, I'd say my biggest factor when it comes to selling is having really nice lit photos. And you're able to add up to 8 photos on your Depop listing. So do batches as well. Like I wouldn't recommend in order to save time, I would recommend actually taking photos of all your clothes and then uploading them here as well. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually list on Depop, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.